Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize, resolve, auto frame and stabilize for smoother YouTube footage. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize, resolve, auto frame and stabilize for smoother YouTube footage, first, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Import your video clip by clicking on the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. Navigate to the folder containing your footage and drag it into the media pool. Next, switch to the Edit tab to work on your video clip. Drag your video from the media pool to the timeline. Select the clip by clicking on it. Now, look for the inspector panel on the top right of the interface. If the inspector panel isn't visible, click on the inspector button to open it. Scroll down to find the stabilization section within the inspector. Click on the stabilization button to enable it. Adjust the settings if necessary, but often the default settings work well. Click on the Stabilize button to start the stabilization process. Wait for Resolve to analyze the footage, which may take a moment depending on the clip length. Once stabilization is complete, review the results in the playback monitor. If you're satisfied, proceed to authorize the auto frame feature. Return to the inspector panel and find the Transform section. Under the Transform settings, toggle the auto frame option to enable it. Adjust the frame settings based on your desired composition. This allows Resolve to automatically crop and resize your footage to maintain focus. Once all adjustments are complete, preview the clip to ensure everything looks smooth. After confirming the desired outcome, navigate to the Deliver tab to export your video. Choose your preferred export settings for YouTube, making sure the resolution is appropriate. Finally, click on the Add to Render Queue button, then hit Start Render to create your stabilized video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.